Good morning, guys. This is the weld machine. Come back to you guys with another video. Alright guys, so we got a project. Today's project is a pontoon boat. Got it parked in my yard. Got my yard looking crazy. I don't know. Got my yard looking crazy, so alright, so I'm gonna show you guys, spin you guys around, show you what we're working with. Okay, so what we got right here is, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a crack, like right up in here. So when you shake it, see all that water right there? All that water running out, running down. So I gotta cut this out. I gotta cut this out. Probably I'm gonna cut up above it, maybe right at that line. Just trim all. I mean, they probably do need that. So I'll probably try to cut as close as to a weld as I can without cutting this. And then we gotta put this in. It's a Welding aluminum drain plug for pontoon boats. So yeah, that's what we're working with. So we gotta unbolt this from the top, cut that out, cut the weld out, and cut the weld out down there, and we'll re-weld it on the outside. That way it's more accessible. I don't know why they didn't do it on these. I mean, I guess they probably wanted to hide the weld, but this is probably before you put all this extra crap on there, so it makes it harder for us to figure it out, because I don't really have anything that can go in there and grind that weld out. Nah, I don't have, not even a die grinder will work, I don't think. I mean, that probably could work. I don't want to hit this. And the plug, we're gonna cut a hole out right here for the plug. We're gonna weld the plug in right there. That piece out. Alright, so this is the piece of aluminum. We'll cut that plate off. We'll clean it up, make it look halfway decent, and then put it back in there and re-bolt it up. So now we gotta just clean off this weld right here. So we're gonna just lay the aluminum to the side. Gonna hit it with the grinding pad. I think we got one of those in the car, so I'll be right back. That's what we got to deal with. Alright guys, so now we're gonna grind the previous weld off. You guys see it now. That's the crack that we're working with. Hold on, there. Is that better? Yeah, that's the crack we're working with. It goes from here. It starts right there, and it comes all the way down, and it stops right there. So, oh wait, no, it goes a little further. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill it out, drill the end out right here, and then we'll drill the beginning out up here, and then we'll weld it up. And we're gonna just pack it full of weld, because down here is good, you know. There you go, that's what we're looking at. So again, that's the crack that we're working with. Take good pictures. The pontoon boat. People ask me, why do you get paid the great money? Because I can do it all. Never limit yourself on what you can do. Only you can control your destiny. This has been the Welding Machine. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so we pretty much drilled the hole in the side of the boat. People's like, dang, why did you do that? Well, the hole is for this piece right here. This is like a drain, and he should be able to run something down in there and drain it out. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, so we got this welded, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for this, but you know what, it's sealed. My TIG torch is down, so I end up having to use a spool gun. I don't like it. TIG is better, but that's getting looked at right now, or it's been sent out. Either one, I think. It's been sent out, so it should be getting looked at. So I had to use a spool gun because I already booked this job and everything. So I tried my best. That's all I can ask for. It's no leaks. I filled the whole pontoon thing up with water. So no leaks, none that I can see anyway. Yeah, no leaks. So I'm gonna show you guys this weld. I know I'm gonna get a bunch of crap for it, but you know what, who cares? This is real life welding, so not everything's picture perfect. Oh crap, like Instagram. That's what my weld looked like. Let's get a better look at it. That's what it looks like. It's just sealed up a crack. There's no water leaks or anything. I shook the boat, filled it all the way up to the top. There's no leaks. So I tried my best, and then I know I'm gonna get, again, my TIG torch was gone, or my TIG stuff is sent out. So that's what that looks like with a spool gun. I ground it down to make it smooth a little bit. It's a little drain hole, just so they can stick a hose through there and drain it out. So yeah, that's what we got. It ain't perfect. It'll do the trick, just to make sure, you know, it don't hurt to make sure it's not leaking or anything. But yeah, that's what we got. So again, this is real life welding. Everything's not perfect all the time, and sometimes Alright, so here are the welds. The little stitch weld. Let's see if we can't get it to zoom in. Focus. There we go, there's one. My power shut off on that one. There's the other two. That's one right there. There you go. There's another one. I mean, it's not the greatest welds, but it'll hold. I mean, whether the guy thinks it's good enough is on him. But guys, remember this, the prettiest welds aren't always the best welds. I'm just saying, only because, I mean, I've been welding for this long. I've been trying everything to make my welds pretty. I mean, this right here would have probably been ideal for a TIG welder, but my TIG welder's down at the moment. So, yeah, so I mean, I tried my best, 100%. I switched it. I gotta fill this whole thing up with water. Yeah, water's about right up in there, and that's my ugly weld right there hidden. I know I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate for that. I did before on my last boat job. I did. So I'm gonna switch it real quick so you guys can see. Yes, and that's my ugly weld there. See, no leak. No leaks, no water runs, no wet spots, nothing, none of those. And you got a drain plug in the process. All right, guys. So again, thank you for watching. I know this hasn't been the best video for everybody that's trying to break it out and do it your own. But guys, not every weld is gonna be perfect. Not every weld, trust me. I grind that one plug down for the drain spot down so many times because I wasn't happy with the weld. But at the end of the day, you can try your best, give it 100%, even if 100% of your best, and even though it might be your worst, as long as it holds, and if it's a leak, and if it don't leak, I mean, that's all you can ask for. And I mean, nobody's perfect, not even me. I mean, I have good days and bad days. You guys, this has been the Welding Machine. You guys have a great day. And weld, and practice. And I sure can't wait to get my TIG rig back. Thank God. Amen. Adios. And this is the pontoon boat that I've been working on. And I'm going to switch it around one more time for you guys. Again, no leaks whatsoever. So, ooh, got a booger in there. No leaks whatsoever. Don't look pretty, but what you guys gonna do? This is the Welding Machine. You guys have a great day. If I had my TIG torch, everything would look a little bit better than what it does now. But I ain't complaining. So y'all have a good one. Have a blessed day. Not everybody's perfect at everything. Peace.